Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling a classic HackerRank problem that's perfect for beginners. A very big sum. If you are new to coding or just getting started with problem solving, this one's a great confidence booster. Let's dive in. So the problem statement here says complete the very big sum function with the following parameters. Add n, an array of integers, return long, the sum of the array elements. And here we have been asked that we need to calculate and print the sum of elements in an array, considering that some integers may be very large. And in the inputs format, the first line of the input consists of integer n, and the next line contains n space separate integers contained in the array. And in the output format, we return the integer sum of the elements in the array. So let's try to understand this problem statement with the help of this example being provided here. It's better to explain with the help of a notepad. Suppose the value of n is 5. An add function contains the array of this value 1 0 0 0. So here's six element containing this element. So here's the array containing these elements. Now output here says 5 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 5. How? The answer being very simple. We have added all the elements in the array to so as to get this output. Now, one thing that needs to be noted here is that the range of the 32-bit integer is minus 2 to the power 31 to 2 to the power 31 minus 1. And since it contains very long values over here, so we need to use long int c in C++ or Java to store such sums. So I hope you understood this problem statement and also you have understood this example pretty well. So without any wastage of time, let's dive into the code. So voila, all the test cases have been passed successfully and the code has been executed without any flaw. And that's it. A very big sum is a great warm-up problem that teaches you how to handle large integers and work with arrays. If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more coding tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.